Well, check the fuse. Check that fuse first. Where's the fuse at?
It's under the hood. What the heck?
Truck doesn't want to crank up anymore. We're just gonna use the other truck to pull him out. Did you put the chocks in the back?
Nah, I ain't gonna go anywhere.
You want to use a winch, or how you gonna do it? Just drag that one.
I don't think this winch will be able to pull.
So Andre says there's some diesel in here. So why is it not cranking up?
That's a good question.
That's the question we have.
Maybe I should just replace the filters right now because I got extra filters.
You do? Yeah, because you got some dirt in there. No diesel. Yeah, there's no power going to the pump there. It might be an easy issue. It might be just because you get no power going to the pump. Trying to take it out, but it's really, really tight. I'm about to run right now. We're just gonna give it a couple crank because we changed the filters, and now we got the pump spinning. So once we get enough diesel in there, it should just crank up.
Come on, baby.
It's gonna crank. Yeah.
Let's go.
That's it. So that's all it was.
Who wants to buy this truck? $2,000 cash, you can have it.
Yeah. So let me help him fix the issue so that way it doesn't happen again. All right, go ahead and cut off your truck. I'm gonna grab some zip ties.
Let's let it run a little because it was out of fuel. Let's let
Okay.
it.
Uh-oh.
$1,000 now.